Welcome to Exam Sale. This script explains the syllabus for the ServiceNow Certified Implementation Specialist in Software Asset Management in a clear, exam-focused way. Overview of the exam. There are 5 domains with exact weights to guide your study. Software entitlements and software allocations is 24%. Software reconciliation and license compliance is 23%. The software asset management lifecycle and software discovery domain is 18%. Software reclamation and remediation is 18%, and software models and installations is 17%. Together these domains cover design, configuration, reconciliation, reclamation, and tracking of software assets in ServiceNow. Software entitlements and software allocations, weight 24%, is a hard domain estimated at 15 hours and assessed with hands-on and conceptual tasks. You will learn how to create and manage software entitlements, differentiate entitlement types and license models, and configure license duration, maintenance terms, and custom license metric settings. The syllabus covers manual entitlement creation, bulk imports, applying publisher part numbers for automated entitlement creation, and handling upgrades and downgrades through entitlement rights. You will also master allocating entitlements to users and devices, distributing licenses across cost centers, automating allocations through groups, and managing allocation limits and over-allocation scenarios. Software reconciliation and software license compliance, weight 23%, is a hard domain estimated at 12 hours and evaluated with scenario-based assessments. You will learn to run and interpret reconciliation engines, review software publisher and product results, and analyze license metric results to determine compliance status. The syllabus trains you to identify causes of not compliant results, review reconciliation history and logs, and evaluate the impact of manual overrides. You will also configure common and publisher-specific license metrics like per user, per device, IBM PVU, Oracle processor, and manage core factor tables and custom metric calculations used during reconciliation. Software asset management lifecycle and software discovery, weight 18%, is a medium difficulty domain estimated at 10 hours with conceptual and scenario-based questions. You will learn the SAM lifecycle phases and how discovery data feeds the asset model, including primary discovery sources, ServiceNow discovery versus third-party imports, and how to review software installation records. The syllabus includes configuring discovery patterns, troubleshooting data source gaps, and understanding normalization using the ServiceNow content library, normalization statuses, manual overrides, and the normalization data services plugin. You will also learn to use the content service and interpretation of normalization suggestions to improve software identification. Software reclamation and software remediation, weight 18%, is medium difficulty with about 8 hours of study and scenario-based assessment. You will learn to optimize software spend by configuring reclamation rules based on usage, identifying removal candidates through metering data, and automating uninstallation workflows while managing user notifications. The syllabus covers building reclamation workflows, analyzing potential savings, and applying remediation options from reconciliation, such as creating purchase orders for missing licenses, removing unauthorized installations, updating entitlement records, and automating tasks using Flow Designer. Emphasis is on closing compliance gaps and demonstrating cost savings through reclamation. Software models and software installations, weight 17%, is easier and estimated at 6 hours with conceptual and scenario-based tasks. You will learn to create and maintain software models, link discovery maps to models, and configure suites and parent-child relationships to track licensing accurately. The syllabus includes using the software model suggestion engine, managing model life cycles and end-of-life dates, and tracking installations against discovery data to differentiate software models from discovery models. You will also learn to filter and review installation records, manage suite inference rules, and identify unauthorized or blacklisted software on configuration items. In conclusion, this exam requires a blend of hands-on configuration and scenario analysis across entitlement, reconciliation, discovery, reclamation, and modeling. Follow the domain weights and suggested study times, focus on the highlighted topics, and practice with real ServiceNow scenarios to build confidence for the certification.